This tutorial video will explain how to manage your checklist using online check writer. To get started, click the payment button on the side panel. Then click check. You will be taken to the checklist page. Click the new button to create a new check. Add the relevant information and click on save. Now you will be redirected to the checklist. You can view the created checks in the list. Select one of the checks you have created and click on print check paper to print it as you designed. Or, click on print white paper to print it with a default template. To mail the check, click here. Our facility will print the check and mail it to your payee's address. Click on the email button to send it as an email check to your payee's email address. You can also send it as a direct deposit to your payee's bank account. Your bank account needs to be verified for this process. You can void the check by clicking this button. Remove a check permanently from the list by clicking delete. Mark the check as cleared or posted by clicking this button. You can view the check number turn to green as identification. Clicking the I button will display more detailed information about the check. You can clone, edit, void, and delete the check from there as well. View the check activity, add comments, attachments, and remittance, and view the last 10 transactions by switching these tabs respectively. Clicking this button, you can complete the payment using credit card from online check writer. By clicking the three-dot menu, you can print, edit, void, and delete the check. Additionally, you can complete the payment using a credit card and also clone the check. You can also view the payee summary, check activity, and add comments and attachments to the check. Select multiple checks and click on this button. You can process multiple checks in a single click by updating the payment method. You can choose the type for printing the checks from this drop-down. Also, import the checks from any other third-party applications by clicking this button. You can sort the list by check issue date, created date, number of entries, or fields. Use this button to export the data in the checklist. Export all the data from the list by clicking this button. You can apply different criteria to filter the checks before exporting if preferred. The visible data in the list can be exported in multiple formats, printed, and emailed using these buttons.